Napoleon escapes from Elba Island. Arizona is organized as a United States territory, and Pioneer 10 lifts off into space. All this and more for This Week in History for the week of February 24th.
Today, December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in infamy.
The Eagle has landed.
I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
February 24th, 1803. The United States Supreme Court decides Marbury v. Madison. While the case involved judicial midnight appointments by outgoing President John Adams, the case has lasting importance as it recognized the Supreme Court's ability to review the constitutionality of laws. February 24th, 1863. Arizona is organized as a United States territory. In 1912, Arizona will become the 48th state of the Union. The territory is created out of land gained during the Mexican-American War. February 25th, 1956. Nikita Khrushchev, leader of the Soviet Union, denounces Stalin's cult of personality during a secret speech. February 26, 1815. Napoleon Bonaparte escapes from exile on Elba Island. He returns to France, beginning a period called the 100 Days, which culminates with his loss at the Battle of Waterloo. February 26, 1993. In the first attack on the World Trade Center, a truck bomb explodes in an underground parking garage. While over 1,000 people are injured, only 6 are killed. February 27, 1864. The first Union soldiers arrive at the Andersonville prisoner of war camp in Georgia. After the war, the camp's warden, Henry Wirz, would be sentenced to death for the atrocities that occurred at the camp. March 1st, 1936. Construction is completed on the Hoover Dam. The dam created Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the United States. March 2nd, 1972. Pioneer 10 is launched by NASA on a mission to explore the deep solar system. Communications with Earth were maintained until January 23rd, 2003. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our blog at www.clementinesnest.com and check out our Lewis and Clark Twitter feed at the address below.